Alright, so today I got my vacation hat, my vacation shirt. That means one thing, I'm on vacation, and I'm not in no ordinary place. I am here in Ibiza, and I'm not here alone. I got a special guest with me, the one, the only, brother from another, from the same mother. Alvin! So he's here for a week. We're kicking off our Europe trip here in Ibiza. The weather's super warm. It's a nice, toasty 31 degrees. And we haven't done anything, but this day has already been quite adventurous. We had to bike to the airport, walk about 45 minutes to our Airbnb. I ended up meeting a colleague who was sitting on the same row as me on the plane, and so I'm just super pumped to get this thing started. And if you know anything about Ibiza, it's known for their parties, so you can't come here without experiencing one of their epic parties. So we're kicking this off with a boat tour, with an free entrance to a club, and yeah, we'll see what happens from there. So that's all we got for now, and yeah, this is enough babbling from me. So yeah, enjoy the montage. So day one, how do I describe day one? Well, let's just say that we were both in bed before 9 p.m. So I'll let you fill in the blanks there. But overall, it was nuts. It was exciting. I think because we only had like 3 hours of sleep, it was tough to really stick it out until like midnight. But so we just crashed. We didn't end up going to the Hard Rock Cafe, which is the club we're supposed to go to. However, we did have a good time. I'm here at some beach. I forget the name of the beach, but it's about 7:30 a.m. and I'm just getting out my morning run. It's like 26 degrees, which is super hot for a morning. But to be honest, I'm actually sweating less than I was sweating last night, because here we have no AC. We just had a fan, and it was probably 30 plus in our room. But yeah, today's beach day, a little bit of partying as well. But today we're gonna explore the island and see what Ibiza has to offer. So continue on my run. See ya. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is why I go for a run. This is for all the people who call me crazy for running all the time.
Run, Forrest, run!
This is why. So whenever I travel, I really try to go for runs in the morning and explore the surroundings, because I probably would have never found this amazing viewpoint had I not gone for a run. So I'm really happy I decided to just stick it out. I'm about 4 or 5K in, and I'm just marveling at God's beauty.
Way up, I feel blessed.
So yeah, hopefully see more of these later on today. There's one thing I learned after a couple days in Ibiza is that it's definitely not made for budget travelers like ourselves. We often find ourselves in situations where we're walking like half an hour to a bus stop, and like, as you see behind us, there's like nothing around. So good thing that we're sporty people, so we can make it through these uphill battles. You know what I'm saying? But even though morale's a bit low, feeling optimistic. We're about to head to one of the better beaches in Ibiza, so looking forward to that.
I'm moving forward, keep moving forward, keep moving forward. Ain't no stress on me, Lord. I'm moving forward, keep moving forward, keep moving.
Okay. Let's go have some fun.
So yesterday, I would say, is a big success. We got some beach action, some party action. That's pretty much all you need to do in Ibiza. But today is all about sightseeing action. So we're starting our little tour, I guess, in this old town, which is surrounded by a fortress, as you can see behind me, which overlooks the harbor, which is magnificent from this point of view. We're gonna check out the places that we didn't see in the past few days, such as San Antonio, which is a bit like northeast a little bit, and also one of the best beaches, Calacomte. So looking forward to see that.